Good Friday afternoon to you. Richard Scott here for the forecast update. Feeling more like summer today. You probably noticed an increase in humidity today. You'll really notice that over the weekend as that south wind continues to bring tropical moisture out of the Gulf. Also, as we go into Sunday late in the day, how about the potential for some stronger severe thunderstorms? So watch that carefully. This afternoon, no issues at all. We did top out the upper 80s. Most areas close to 90. In fact, most areas within a degree or two of hitting 90. We had 88 in Jasper, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, 89 in Demopolis, 89 Meridian, and Montgomery. Radar and satellite composite, a lot of cloud cover at times today, but we also have some clearing at times today. Probably noticed that. Really a mixture of clouds and sunshine, but no rain on radar. Things settled this afternoon. Tonight and tomorrow morning, I do expect temperatures to start off around 70, so tonight we will continue to slowly drop, but not as cool as recent nights with that increase in moisture and that south wind tonight. A little breezy at times tomorrow. For Saturday, we'll top out near 90 on Saturday. There could be a stray afternoon shower or storm, but the risk of that is going to be pretty low. Now, again, Saturday afternoon going to be a hot day. We'll top out somewhere around 90 with a partly sunny sky. Sunday, a lot of questions about that. Much of the day will be dry. Now, as we go towards Sunday late afternoon into the evening, a line of thunderstorms moves in. There's going to be a really potent line of storms with quite a bit of lightning, some heavy rain. Here's 5 o'clock according to our high-resolution RPM, which is a computer model we look at when forecasting. And you can see the simulated radar where the storms could be at 5 o'clock. As we go into 11 o'clock, storms still impacting West Alabama, slowly pushing east and approaching central Alabama during the pre-dawn hours Monday morning. By 6 o'clock Monday morning, storms are finally starting to exit Alabama. This could be a pretty heavy rain event. In fact, it's not out of the question that we get rainfall amounts of about 1 to 3 inches with this event across Alabama. Depending on how hard the rain falls at a quick amount of time, there could be some isolated flash flooding. We'll have to watch that threat carefully, and again, that will be for Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. The time frame we're looking at, roughly 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. for West Alabama, areas west of Interstate 65, East Alabama. We're looking at 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. The higher probability of severe weather, including the risk of damaging straight-line winds, will be for areas generally near and west of Jasper, Tuscaloosa, and Demopolis. Now, east of that, there's still a chance for an isolated damaging wind gust or two. We'll have to watch that threat carefully, and there could be an isolated tornado. I think the main risk of that will be in that red shaded area for western Alabama. In terms of the risk, we're talking about primarily damaging winds of excess of 60 miles per hour. There could be some flash flooding in spots. We'll have to watch that. If you live in an area that's flood prone, that typically floods when you get a lot of rain, you may have some issues again Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. The tornado risk and the hail risk out of this event appears low, but it is not impossible to get some quarter-size hail and perhaps a spin-up tornado or two, especially over West Alabama. Here's your forecast. Again, mostly dry for Saturday. Sunday, storms come in later in the day. Most of the day will be dry. Monday, a tad cooler. We'll top out mid-70s. The lows of the night back at the low 50s by Monday night. Tuesday, back up to 80, and another system comes in late Wednesday into the day on Thursday, and that will produce some more heavy rain, and I don't think that one will bring a risk of severe weather. Watch it carefully, but rainfall amounts between the two systems over the next 7 days could exceed 3 or 4 inches in some areas, so we're looking at quite a bit of rainfall. We need the rain, but hopefully not too fast to cause any flooding issues, but these two events are separated by a few days, so hopefully that will be just right to help soak the ground quite a bit.